This device we have actually been waiting for a couple weeks now. This is the all-new Pocketbook Touch Lux 5. This is non-color screen technology here, so don't be thinking you're getting another color device. But in the world of Pocketbook, this is a very high-end model. This is the Touch Lux from the Touch Lux brand. This is the 5th generation of such. Lots of different languages supported on Pocketbook devices. Pocketbook is definitely within the top 3 manufacturers of e-ink devices, and they are extremely internationally friendly. They have different languages all the way from Latvian to, well, basically all parts of the world. Now, I should learn my lesson. I do this every time, but I forgot that we need a knife for these little side stickies here. So let's get cracking, and we will open this up together because I've never seen this device, and I want to kind of experience it with you guys because you guys support us every step of the way. And here is the device itself. So we're just going to do what you usually do, and we're going to put this off to the side, explore the rest of the box, show you guys what comes in the box, retail packaging. So you have your warranty guide, your My Life with a Case Without a Case kind of thing. That's always very nice that they put that in there. You can see you're on crutches and your Humpty Dumpty fall down can't be put back together again, but if you have a case, you are good to go. So we do recommend getting a case, and a Goody Reader warranty while you're at it. Extends for 2 years. Quick start guide as well, and you just get the foam cutouts for the shape of the device. And in the bottom, you get your micro USB cable, but no dongle on this one. Some devices from Pocketbook actually come with the dongle. This one does not. Let's look at the device itself now and see what we have going. So it comes in the little static proof bag, and we have the black color, so it's very nice on the back. This is a very sleek looking device. Usually they do have kind of a two-tone color scheme here, but this is an all black device. It's very nice. You do have a smart light on it, e-ink Carta, and you have an SD card on the bottom with a micro USB port, status indicator light, and a power button. You do have 4 buttons on the device, the more button, left, right, back, or forward respectively, and the home button as well. We are going to do a first time startup, but we're not going to go through the device, and you can see it starts up in whatever language that it was kind of catered to that market for. So this one I do not know, but it is some sort of Arabic, I would imagine. Probably not Arabic. Arabic's more swirly. Maybe Israeli? I'm not too sure. So if someone does know, let us know down below in the comments. But for now, this is everything that comes in the box for the Touch Lux 5, the 5th generation of Touch Lux devices by Pocketbook. If you guys want to see more on this, stay tuned to goodyreader.com, youtube.com/goodyreader, and for goodyreader.com and an unboxing of the Touch Lux 5, this is Peter.